In this video, Bitcoin broke this key support at $27,200 on the 1 hour chart. And guys, this is a very bearish sign because the next big support level is all the way down at $25,000. And if we get the 4 hours candle close below $27,200, then I'm going to enter a short position. And guys, if you want to know more about this and if you want to know how you can trade this move too, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro. I'm Federico, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, we already got 2 candle close below this key support at $27,200 on the 1 hour chart. And guys, I'm waiting for a confirmation on the 4 hours and on the daily chart before entering a short position and trade this move till $25,000. And this is because if we check the daily chart, you can clearly see that the next big support level below 27,000, it's all the way down at 25K, and this is because we tested this level in previous price action and we got rejected and then lost 20%. And guys, when we broke this resistance, then we saw a bump till $31,000. And so this is a big level and it's the biggest support under 27K. And so guys, let me show you how to trade this move and where to take profit and where to place your stop loss. And so you would enter the trade below $27,200. You would take profit at $25,000 and you would place your stop loss a bit above $28,000. And guys, with 10x leverage, this would be 80% profit. And if you want to place this trade with me on Bybit, then you can use my Bybit affiliate link down below and you will get the big sign up bonus. And guys, few days ago, I told you, actually yesterday, I told you that we were forming this double bottom pattern on the daily chart, and this was very bullish. And I was waiting for a pump here, which may still happen, so watch out. But if we break this key support on the daily chart and we start trading below $27,000, then I believe this short position will be a nice one to trade. And so guys, I think for today I showed you everything. And if you want to receive these trading alerts for free and in real time, then you should follow me on Twitter and on Telegram. And guys, also make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video. And if you didn't watch my video where I explain you how to trade short on Bybit, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next episode.